MLA724 – Water's Sustainable Future. Water is a key natural resource. It sustains us, is crucial to farming and manufacturing, and it is used to transport goods around the globe. Important culture assets are created around water and what lives within it. MLA724 investigates how water is managed, both as a resource and as a waste stream, and how its sustainable management is key to many of the UN SDGs. You will be involved in the ongoing debate regarding the function of the hydrosphere, how that function has been significantly altered by human behaviour and its ramifications. You will explore the multiple roles water has as a key natural resource, on land, in oceans, as a cultural resource, and as a managed equity. During this 13-week module, you will discuss the importance of water management in delivering key sustainability objectives. You will also evaluate how these objectives are met with reference to a chosen case study. MLA724 is an optional module of the MLA Global Sustainable Development Postgraduate Programme and is fully tutor supported. Please contact us if you would like more information regarding this module.